What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm going to show you how I smoke chicken breasts using my Traeger. You can use any smoker. Get some really nice juicy meat here. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I have a pound of skinless chicken breast, and if you want to marinate your chicken, grab 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I also have my homemade rub here. I'll provide detailed instructions and ingredients in the description box below for that rub, but I'm going to take the chicken breasts and marinate them in the soy sauce and then also add these spices. You can also just do a dry rub for the chicken. Marinating will tenderize the chicken and it'll just get it a little bit more juicy. So I like to do that in advance, and when you marinate, you take that and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to overnight. Then I'm gonna add that chicken to my Traeger here. I also inserted the meat probe. One thing to be really cognizant of is the size of the chicken breasts. You can see mine are unevenly sized, so I had to take those smaller breasts off first. You want to smoke this on 225 degrees until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. And so that can take you anywhere from an hour to 2 hours. Typically, it takes me about an hour and a half. And then there you have it, juicy chicken breasts.